I'm gonna stay in grass by my twin sisters. Okay. Nice to be a rain, I keep an eye. Roll with a jet to die. Out here on my own. My path is so long. But now I see clearly everything within me. It's reaching up to the sky. I can see the world with open eyes. You can let it pass you, just take on and gasp it. Now's the time to take a chance. With a strand of 1,000 men, climbing to my feet again. The tragedy is from your eyes, and everything will be alright. You know the rainbow just inside, that your wings up as you rise. If your heart is overwhelmed, just know you're never by yourself. Put your hand in mouth, your head up high, and together we're right. You can try to hurt me, doubt me, and desert me. I built a wall of kings with my mind, I built the sea. Even though a dream will fall and take me in to Satan's arms, I won't let that. And try to see it when right, and everything will be alright. You know the rainbow's just inside. Toss your wings off as you ride. If your heart feels overwhelmed, just know you're never by yourself. Put your hand in mouth, your head up high, and together alright. You can. Ooh, 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 ooh. Right. Thanks for watching. I know I made a lot of mistakes in the video, but I'll do better next time. Okay, I know I skipped some part, but that was just, I didn't want to waste time. So I'll see you later in the video that I'm gonna make next time, maybe. If you like it, TX, please write my comments, or you go to my dad's Facebook, which is Brown Zaid, and write some comments there too. Because that's my witness, because I signed up for Disney, so I don't know. Bye.